Zambia, a country abundant in mineral resources, boasts a wealth of valuable mines that play a substantial role in bolstering its. In this video, we'll illuminate the most prestigious mines in Zambia, delve into the country's struggle to retain ownership of its mining industry, and examine the factors prompting Zambia to resort to selling off its mines. The history of Zambia's mining industry spans a considerable length, originating in the colonial period when the lion's share of the nation's mineral wealth was under British dominion. The wave of privatization began to sweep over the mining companies in 1997, marking an average of nearly one company per annum being privatized. The driving forces behind these privatized mining entities are predominantly the Anglo-American Corporation and Anglo-Vale Mining Limited, holding the majority shares in nearly all of these ventures. The stress of economic factors often compels Zambia to offer shares in its mining sector to offshore investors, as illustrated in the nation's efforts to turn the industry private. The Zambian administration found itself squeezed by global financial establishments to privatize the mining industry, lure foreign capital, and stimulate economic expansion. Economic pressures leading to the privatization of Zambia's mining industry, international financial institutions' influence on the Zambian government's decision, and the goal of attracting foreign investment and enhancing economic growth come into play in this situation. Zambia's sparse resources and limited know-how restrict its capacity to wholly own and run its mines, resulting in collaborations with international corporations. This limited capital and expertise in Zambia's mining sector, joint ventures between foreign firms and the Zambian government, are the primary reasons for the lack of local resources and knowledge. As a result, numerous mining operations in Zambia are carried out through partnerships between international corporations and the Zambian government due to the scarcity of local capital and expertise. Policy challenges, like inconsistent regulations and corruption, add to the complexity of Zambia's pursuit to retain control of its mines. The uncertainty of policies, inconsistencies in regulations, and corruption are major deterrents to investment in Zambia's mining sector. These factors impede the government's ability to maintain ownership of its mines. The selling off of mines can have profound social consequences, affecting local communities, and often such sales result in job cuts and environmental degradation, which intensify social conflicts and trigger dissatisfaction among local communities. Despite Zambia's abundant mineral wealth, a myriad of factors such as economic pressures, lack of capital and expertise, policy challenges, and social impacts have hindered the country from fully owning its mines, leading it to relinquish stakes to foreign investors. Economic pressures, scarcity of capital and expertise, policy difficulties, and societal impacts, all these factors play a part. Hence, the answer to the question is, Zambia doesn't retain ownership of any of its mines due to financial deficits.